based on the experiences and some hands-on experiences that they had. And although I'm not, as I mentioned, I'm not as a part of this domain, but what I feel that the challenges are, I mean, the theory that was there, probably some new challenges are coming, upcoming challenges, how to assess the cognitive load, especially for the students, and what can be the mechanisms. So not only for the researchers, but for all others, it will be a great learning experience. And my best wishes to all of you. And we are forced to have it in a online mode, but still, I think it will be useful to you all. I thank you, and I welcome our director sir also for joining this inaugural session. And we are looking forward for your keynote talk. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you, actually, Professor Subroto Nandi. So before starting the actual sessions, it is one of the renowned personality in this field of cognitive science. So I would like to say our directors sir, so say a few words before your sessions to start the inauguration, because you are the session keynote session speaker also, as well as our chief guest of this occasion. So sir, few words before starting the session.
Oh, I have to say, okay.
So few words before starting the actual session. It's an inaugural speech.
I mean, I think it's a mere formality. I'll be talking right now, and I'll be introducing what is meant by cognitive load and why is that important. And especially, I do not know the composition of the audience. How many of them are teachers? How many of them are research scholars? How many of them are students?
Okay.
Any idea you can give me, Vivash?
So, sir, actually, 85 candidates are joined. Among them, 5 or 6 candidates are from research scholar, and most of them faculty from AICT's institutes.
But right now, I can see only 33 has joined.
Yeah, they are just start joining gradually.
Yes. But for the teachers, it's a very important topic because often we do not understand what the students, we treat the students in one particular way, one way of treatment is given to all the students. But in fact, what happens is the students' capacity, the students' style of learning, the students vary in different aspects. We cannot expect all the students to be of the same intellectual capacity and pattern. So therefore, whatever teaching loads, whatever instructions we deliver to them, whatever lessons we deliver to them, that the acceptance of that is also dependent on the acceptor. So in Indian philosophy, that's called the adhar, where the pot where you actually put the things in. So as the adhars vary, as the receptors vary, we have to also tune our style of delivery. And that is very important. And we must, one of the major parameters of that adhar or receptor is the extent of cognitive load, the pressure of learning that they can accommodate. So it's a very important area, and a lot of research is being done, was being done, but now with the advent of COVID and online education, this has regained its importance. So I think all of you will be benefited. Your teaching, you can also have a different look, a fresh look at your teaching, and you may like to rework your learning materials and see that what needs to be changed. So overall, I feel that this will be a very fruitful workshop. I welcome all of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for this mega speech and nice talk.